Soon you will hear from our CEO sitting next to me, Matthew, and from each of the executive team. But first, let me just say a few words about the last year. As you would expect, it was a very challenging year. COVID was still significant, as was our efforts to vaccinate our staff. In December 21, we achieved teaching status. It's more than just a change of name. It's recognition of the hard work and dedication our staff have to teaching, to high quality learning, education, and working with partners like UCL and the Royal Free. We made bold investments in technology, from the implementation of the EPR during COVID to surgical robots that not only improve patient outcomes, but ensure we attract a new and highly motivated staff. Our fantastic staff love to innovate, to develop new ways of caring. And the virtual hospital is an example of that, and it's received national recognition and awards. Our staff are the core of our organisation. We recognise it was a very stressful year as the pressures moved from COVID to elective recovery and dealing with A&E. We have made well-being the central part of our support to staff. Now, the board met many times during that year, reviewing progress, finance, innovation, strategy, performance, and partnerships. Every meeting started with a patient story, and that's to deliberately remind us of why we're all here. You will hear more on each of these aspects as the team present. Then it's public questions entered via the chat function on Zoom. You can type those at any point. Send them to the chat monitor tag that you can see in Zoom. I need to remind you, the AGM is a review of 21-22. So ideally the question should reflect that, but we are transparent. We'll answer any question that we can. I want to say how proud I remain of the organisation, the entire organisation, of its leadership team, its staff, the volunteers, and of course our charity, Raise.